Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill, how to create a paginated report in Power BI Service from a published dataset. If you've ever needed to transform your interactive reports into something that's print-ready, perfectly formatted, and easy to share or archive, this is the exact process you'll want to know. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable creating, customizing, and exporting paginated reports straight from Power BI Service, making your data more accessible and professional-looking than ever. Let's get right to it. First, head over to my workspace in your Power BI Service account. This is essentially your personal hub where all your reports and datasets are organized. It's like your own work desk in the cloud. Scroll through your workspace until you find the report you want to use as the basis for your paginated report. When you spot it, hover your cursor over the report title. You'll notice three little dots appear off to the side. These are more options, sometimes called a kebab menu. Go ahead and click those dots. A menu pops up with a list of actions you can take. Just scroll down until you see the option that says Create Paginated Report. Don't worry if it takes a second to find. Microsoft does like to tuck these extras lower in menus. Click on that and Power BI will start up the Paginated Report Builder for you, using your chosen dataset as a source. Think of this like opening up a new design project, except your data is already loaded in and you're ready to start fine-tuning. Now you'll see an interface where you can add your data fields one by one. This gives you a lot of control. You get to pick exactly which data points matter for your report and leave out anything that isn't useful. Take your time here. If you're building a sales report, for example, you might want to show product names, monthly totals, and region. You can add each field individually, tailoring the report to your actual needs rather than using a generic template. Next, click the Build button. This is where you can really start to customize your report's appearance. You'll be able to change the format and style of your table, everything from column widths, fonts, to how the data is grouped. Don't be afraid to play around a bit. Maybe you want your tables to have alternating row colors for easier reading or bold headers for emphasis. Remember, paginated reports are designed for clarity and formal presentation, almost like printed PDFs, so what you see here is what others will see when they receive it. Once you're happy with how the report looks and you've double-checked your data, it's time to select your export format. Up near the top right, look for an export or download option, usually presented as a drop-down menu. Give that a click and you'll see several different export formats appear. These include Excel, PDF, CSV, PPTX, DOCX, MHTML, and even XML. Each of these has its own use case: PDFs for sharing with execs, Excel for deeper dives, PowerPoint if you need slides, and so on. Pick the format that fits how you or your team plan to use the report and click to export. And just like that, you've created and exported a custom paginated report directly from Power BI Service, all without having to leave the browser or open any extra tools. If any step feels unfamiliar, don't worry, try it a couple times and you'll find it really becomes second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, it seriously helps out the channel. If you have any questions, or if there's another Power BI tip you'd like to see, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more actionable tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.